welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install and execute Ruby script on Rocky Linux. Ruby is a powerful scripting language. Scripts can be used to automate tasks, including creating and searching files and managing and organizing subdirectories. Ruby scripting language is used by many companies like Github, Chef, and Puppet. DevOps teams use scripting for the purpose of combining development and operations.
Check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to check the Ruby package is installed or not in the system by using rpm command. The Ruby is not installed. Now I am going to install Ruby. Press Y and hit enter to continue. The installation is completed. Now check the Ruby version. The installed version of Ruby is 2.5.9. The Ruby file indicated with .rb. Now I am going to create the file by the name of sample.rb. Press I to the insert mode. This script going to print what is your name, then get the name from the user, then it will be print hello, then username. Save and quit. Now run the Ruby script by using Ruby command. This is asking for name. Enter the name, then hit enter. Now this will be print hello Muhammad. By this the Ruby script execution in Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.